Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Wow, today we'll learn color, sizes and numbers. Oh, sizes. Small, big, bigger, biggest. Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Colors. Yellow, green, yellow, red. 4 colorful toys. First one. Small colorful toy signal. Wow, colorful toy signal. Red, yellow, red. 2 colors. Toy signal. Plastic toy signal. Bye bye. Number 2. Big. Green color Hello Kitty spinner. Oh, made in China. Wow. Hello Kitty toy. Oh. Baby pink, white, green. 3 colors. Green, 1. White, 2. Baby pink, 3. 3 colors. Hello Kitty toy spinner. Plastic toy spinner. Oh. Bye bye. Number 3. Bigger. Wow. Bigger yellow color toy walkie talkie. Yellow, pink, 1. Yellow, 2. 2 colors toy walkie talkie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Wow. Yellow color toy walkie talkie. Yellow color toy walkie talkie. Bye bye. 4. Biggest red color Spider-Man mask. Oh, red, black, white. White, 1. Black, 2. Red, 3. 3 colors Spider-Man toy mask. Wow, better place. Toy mask. Yahoo! Spider-Man! Wow, it's really awesome. Red color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Colorful Spider-Man toy mask. Oh, bye bye.